Hey guys, I'm here and I decided for my first video I'm going to start it out with a bang and open an all-pro pack 20 bundle with a present topper which has 6 holiday collectibles. So let's get into this bundle. Brendan Pettigrew, Gideon, Bruce Arian, Bruce Irvin. Holiday present day 3, you can get that. Ooh, Derek Johnson, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that sells for a ton too, I think. Let's go to the currents, and what else? Send these to reserves. And don't keep the contract. And sell the rest. But that Derek Johnson, I think that sells for a lot of coin. That's awesome. Let's keep this good pulls up. Intro roll again. Dog pound collectible. Jordan Davis, nothing in there. So that pack was complete trash. Next one. Ooh, oh. I'm not even gonna say anything. Mike McCoy, Rex Ryan, Jonathan Baldwin, Thomas Davis, Sidney Rice, that's it. Nothing again. Not Derek Johnson, better not be it. I'm gonna be really PO'd. No, I'm not even gonna send that to reserves, that's getting quick sold. That's a piece of crap. That's garbage. Alright, 17 left. I was thinking about opening the present top first, but it doesn't matter. And we start off with another gold. Which is not too good so far. Brendan Pettigrew again. Gary Haywood Bay. Ooh, last card. And another gold, of course. Whatever. Come on, let's get a ghost. Let's get a ghost Thurman. And nope, we get a golden Tate. DeVito, Joe Philbin, Brown, Greg Jennings. Okay, nothing again. This isn't going too well. It's cost a lot of money too. Sell everything again. I'm just hoping that Derek Johnson sells north of 50k. That would be pretty sweet. Because as you see, I'm only at 4k right now. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I thought I got three golds in that pack. I was like, what? Yeah, that's Josh Norman. Probably has no worth. Screw that. Sell the rest. 14 left. I'm gonna go down to 10 and then open the topper. Ooh, LeGarrette Blount. That's a beast card. That is a beast card. I wonder how much that sells for. I got one good card in this pack. That's a popular pull. Not a popular pull, I mean it's a popular card. Left. Alright, so that means 3 more. Brendan Pettigrew again. Like, what? I've pulled this like 4 times. That's more. Ron Rivera, contract. Dork. Dante Whitner, Pierre Gerson. Send reserves. You know, I got nothing good so far. The other 10 of that should be well. Or good, I mean. Open that later. Not right now, though. Ooh, Devin McCourty. Okay. Okay. Ooh, Michael Johnson. Ooh, okay. Okay. 2 gold and 1. That's pretty sick. Let's see. I wonder how much those sell for. those to the current. Alright, so let's keep it like this. Let's keep this good luck going. 2 elites, 1 pack. Let's try to get a ghost right here. Let's get a ghost in our final pack. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Holiday present day 3. Got another one of those. Now I can put it in Michael Brockers, Paul Brown. Again? Ooh, last 2. Darren McFadden. Can't read off nothing. Well, I'm going to open this topper, and then that's gonna be it for this video. Let's see. We got day 9, day 6, day 1. Like what? Oh no, that's day 12. Scratch that. Day 8, day 1. That's not day 1. That's day. Is that day 11? Yeah, day 11. Day 7. These are all needed for my collection. That's sweet. I mean, I'm really close to completing this. Alright, so I'll go over what I got in those 10. I'm gonna probably list them up. Nothing I'm interested in, actually. Wait, current roster. Let's see, we got those 6. We got 2 3s, which is good. Those are going straight. Actually, scratch this. These all are pending. Because I gotta put those all in one collection. Devin McCourty, LeGarrette Blount. These look like some pretty good. I got 4 pretty good cards. So, do any of them worth to me? He doesn't. Possibly. No. And possibly. My middle linebacker is Bobby Wagner. I think I'm good. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Just starting off, so I want to get a lot of likes on this video and some good amount of subscribers. So thanks again. Bye.